In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily update your payment method on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to Settings. On Settings, at the very top, tap at your name to move on to the Apple ID, and that's where you can easily find Payment and Shipping. You need to get into it. Once we get into Payment and Shipping, we'll be able to edit, remove or add new payment method here. To remove the existing one, we need to tap at Edit and then tap at that minus button. If you would like to add new payment method, tap right here. You will be taken to that screen where you can add your credit card or PayPal as a payment method. These options depends on your region, so maybe in your case you got here different ones. All you have to do is just enter payment methods data and then tap at Done to save it. And also down below here we can add our shipping address. That's where we need to enter our first name, last name and all other parameters in that form, and then tap at Done. Tap at Done to save your shipping address, which will be used when you make Apple Store purchases. That's how you can update your payment method and the payment info. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.